Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn to create an address book record for an existing company 19,000. You must create address book record in JD Edwards Enterprise One address book system for the company you created. The JD Edwards Enterprise One address book system stores information like name, address, phone number, etc. about companies, suppliers, customers, and employees. You should use the same numerical value for both the company record and the address book record. For example, you would associate company 19,000 with the address book record 19,000. If the company number and address book number for a company use different values, you must complete a cross-reference field when you set up a new company. For example, if company 19,000 has a different address book record of 20,000, you would create a cross-reference to 20,000 in the company address number field on the company setup form. This relationship is important for intercompany accounting and reporting. Now, follow these steps to set up an address book record. From the Enterprise One homepage, following the steps described here, navigate to Address Book Daily Processing menu G0110 and click on Address Book Revision link to run program P01012. This action will open Work with Addresses form. Use the Work with Addresses form to add or change basic address information for an address book record. On the Work with Addresses form, click the Add button to add a new address number in the address book master. On the Address Book Revision form, click in the Address Number field. Enter a number to identify an entry in the address book system, such as a company, customer, supplier, employee, or a location as per your requirement. If you leave this field blank, the system assigns the address book number automatically for you. For this demo, we will use address number 19,000 for the company. Click in the alpha name field. Use the alpha name field to enter text to name or describe an address. This is a 40-character alphabetic field, appears on many forms and reports. Do not use dashes, commas, and other special characters in this field because the system cannot search on them when you use this field to search for a name. If duplicate data entry validation is activated and another record with the same alpha name, city, and postal code is found, the system highlights this field and issue an error or warning message. Enter the desired information into the alpha name field. For example, enter Universal Holdings. Click in the tax ID field. Enter tax ID allotted by the concerned government agency. Click in the search type field. Use the search type field to enter a value from the UDC table 01ST to specify the kind of address book record to search for. For example, select code O from the UDC table. Click the Mailing tab. Click in the Address Line 1 field. Enter the desired information into the Address Line 1 field. For example, enter 48 MG Street. Enter more details into other address line fields. Click in the City field. Enter the desired information. For example, New York. Click in the State field. Enter the desired information into the state field. Select a code from the UDC table 00S. For example, enter NY for New York. Click in the postal code field. Search the postal code. For example, 10007 for New York. Click in the country field. Select a country code from UDC table 00CN. For example, US for the United States. Click the Additional One tab. Enter the desired information in the various fields. For example, industry classification, etc. Similarly, click on other tabs and enter desired information. When done with, click the OK button to save the record. Since these records are not payable or receivable records, as such, you may get a warning message while saving the records. If a warning message appears, click OK again to bypass it. Click the OK button. Please note that the system displays the address book record that you just entered in the previously assigned number field on the address book revision form. Click the Cancel button. Click the Close button. You have successfully entered an address book record for an existing company. The process is over.